An Elephant and Piggie book. I Am Going by Mo Willems. Hey friends, before we begin our exciting read aloud story, please subscribe to our channel by tapping the subscribe button below. Thanks.
And keep reading. This is a good day.
Just like yesterday.
Yes, yesterday was a good day too.
Well, I am going.
You are going? You are going away?
Yes.
You cannot go. You must not go. I will not let you go.
I'm going.
Piggie! What about me? Who will I skip with? Who will I play ping pong with? Who will I wear silly hats with? Who will I skip and play ping pong in a silly hats with?
I'm sorry, Gerald. But I am going.
Fine. Then I will go too. Watch me go. I am going. Look at me go.
Have fun.
Wait! Go later. Go tomorrow. Go next week. Go next month. Go next year.
I am going now.
No! Why, Piggie? Why? Why?
It is lunchtime, Gerald.
Lunchtime?
I am going to eat lunch.
You're going to eat lunch?
Yes.
Oh. Piggie?
Yes, Gerald?
Is it a big lunch? This is a good day.
Just like yesterday.
The end. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the story, please subscribe to our channel by hitting the big red subscribe button below. And check out more fun stories on our channel. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share our video with friends and family.